In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now click on biometrics and security and click on fingerprints. Tap on continue then, and at first you have to set up some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me choose pattern, and it can be L letter. Tap on continue then, draw L letter again, tap on confirm. And now you have to scan your fingerprint. So here you've got the sensor. Let me just take off the glove. And right here you have to keep tapping until it is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So let me tap on done. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like this. Wakey wakey. Just like this. Or you can use this backup pattern, so once you don't have the fingerprint, if you will borrow your device to somebody, then he or she will be able to unlock your device with this backup method. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.